Just got her all finished up. Next step is obviously just got to put the lines down, and that'll be that. Cracks filled. They're all sealed. Well, pretty good.